Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So this morning I woke up after a lucid dream and I had this urge I just started writing code. And so I was already familiar with how to use the Datetime module, but I just decided it would be cool to make a simple clock because I tend to sit kind of further away from my monitor and I like to make my text real big and everything. And thought it would be cool to have a clock that was a little bit bigger and everything. But anyway, I made the font bigger on my gedit here so you guys can see better. And so let's go over this code. It's very simple syntax, universal. Shebang line, then I got my credits, import date, time, OS, and sys. We're not really using sys here, but I did it anyway. X here, x equals 1, we use that as a control variable to make an infinite loop while x equals 1, which x is always going to equal 1 because we just set it to 1 and we're not going to change it. And here's the magic syntax. Choose a variable name equals datetime.now, close, open bracket, close bracket, dot strf time, bracket, quote, and then this is a little different on Windows and Linux. Now I wrote this in Linux. In Linux you can put whatever you want in here, like date, time, to represent where is the clock, date and time. On Windows you can't. So you just put %d for the date, %h for hour, %m for minutes, %s for seconds. So variable equals datetime.now, open close bracket .strf time, bracket, quote, %d, %h, %m, %s. Then we do another one here. We just call it cur time, and this time we just get the hour because we're just trying to find out if it's AM or PM. And then we make two empty strings, AM and PM. Then we say if the current hour is greater than or equal to 12, then we know it's 12 o'clock or later. If it's less than or equal to 11, we know it's before noon, and then we can set our AM and PM accordingly. And then down here we do a print, the current time, string formatting, echo AM and PM. And of course if it's AM, it's going to say AM. If it's PM, it's going to say PM because we set those up here. And then just to get a different format up, I did os.system date. So I guess I don't know. No, we didn't use the sys module, but anyway. Then we do sleep 1 second and then clear the screen so that it doesn't scroll and it just stays like that. And there's our final product. And I do need to set the correct time on this computer. It's not correct, but that's the basic gist of it. And so to use the datetime module, all we really need is import datetime and this line right here. And it's really useful when you're writing applications if you want verbose error logging and stuff like that, so you can see what time something happened, which user, etc. And so the datetime module helps you to make more verbose outputs on your error logging, etc., which can help you in debugging your program. So 26 lines minus 1 space and a few lines of comments. But that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, thanks for watching. I'm Scott. Everything awesome. Peace out.